So, this screencast is about finding information to answer our research question. This flowchart shows us that research involves thinking critically. You have probably already decided on a research topic and you've probably already made your research question. So, now we need to find information. We want to find relevant information by using search terms effectively. When we talk about finding information, there's a few words that we need to keep in mind. One is keywords. That also can mean search terms. Those are the main words we use to get information out of a search engine or database. Another word that we kind of think about is synonyms. Those are words that have same or similar meaning, and we know that sometimes we'll have to change our keywords a little bit and use a slightly different word. And what we're really looking for is relevant information that's related to our topic or answers our question. The process that we use when we're looking for information follows this flowchart. First, we brainstorm keywords from our research question. Then we start searching with them. Once we do that, we need to decide if we found an answer to our question. And so the first thing we need to do and practice is to brainstorm our keywords. So here's a research question, and I'm going to demonstrate how I go about finding keywords. So my question is, how effective are therapy dogs in treating anxiety disorders? So I need to think about the main ideas out of this question. And so the first one I would think of is the word dogs, except that I know dog is pretty general. So I'm going to consider using therapy dogs as my main concept. The next thing I need to know is, what is it that therapy dogs are doing? And what I can read from my question is that they are treating anxiety disorders. So the second concept is anxiety, or maybe anxiety disorders. And then if I need to add more keywords, I might think about the word treat, or treating, or treatment, or maybe even help, which would be an easy synonym for the word treatment. I might also consider the word effective. So now, if I'm thinking about the keywords I'm going to use, I would probably start with these: therapy dogs, anxiety, maybe add the word disorder, maybe use the word treat or treatment or treating, maybe use the word help, and then maybe effective. So now that I've got my keywords, there's a couple other things I kind of need to keep in the back of my mind before I start searching for information. And so one thing is, I'm using keywords here, not sentences, not questions, not the little words that go in between, the main idea words, my keywords. I need to remember that I can use the word and to combine my keywords. If I'm not finding what I want, if I'm not finding relevant results, I can experiment with synonyms, so similar words. If I get stuck and I'm not finding what I want, I need to double check my spelling. And then I know that this might be a bit of a process, so I'm going to try really hard to be patient and be persistent. So again, this screencast helps us learn how to brainstorm some keywords. The next screencast that you might want to review is the one that shows you how to actually decide if your information is relevant.